Stay tuned to see how I upcycled cardboard boxes to create storage. Hey DIY clubbers, so I'm just showing you the materials that we're going to be using this week. I found this YouTube account by the Posh paper lady, and she was showing how to upcycle all of the shipping boxes that you may receive when you place your orders from Amazon or Walmart. And I thought that it was a genius way to reuse all of those boxes that I've had kind of piling up. And so I wanted to show you guys and bring attention to this because it's a great way to not waste these boxes. Of course, you can recycle them, but it just is a great way to reuse some boxes around the house and make them look even better. So what I'm doing here is I have taken apart my cardboard box and laid it flat onto my contact paper, and I've gone step by step using my cutting mat underneath, scoring lines in the contact paper so that it will wrap smoothly around the box. And this is what allows you to create that nice new feel to the box by using any kind of colored contact paper. And then you're going to use your double-sided tape to re-adhere the bottom. And then this is what the box looks like once you're done. I added a little tissue paper in because I did not want to waste contact paper by going ahead and adding it to cover the inside, which is something that she does in her video, and I'm gonna link it below so you can check out her page because she has a lot of awesome videos that are super helpful as well. And then here is a second box that I upcycled. It's actually a box I got that had my Fenty by Rihanna in it, and I had saved the box because I knew I could reuse it, but I decided to go ahead and repeat that same process by completely taking the box apart, laying it on the contact paper, scoring lines, and completely covering the entire box. What do you guys think of this cardboard box upcycle? Leave me a comment down below, and make sure you check out the Posh paper lady over on her channel and get some more tips and tricks and good DIYs. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I hope that you go and check out the Posh Paper Lady's YouTube channel. She has a lot of great tips and tricks, and you will be able to see a bit more in-depth version of how you are to do your cardboard box upcycles as well. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, and share it with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.